Hello, welcome to Inkybay. Today we are going to show you how to get custom quote request from Inkybay. So let's get started. First, open the Inkybay app admin. Then from dashboard, hover on orders and click on custom quote request. Here you will find all of your customers' quote request, and you can also search for a particular quote request by filter. Here, as you can see, we have one custom quote request. To open the request, click on it, and here you will find full quote request detail with the design element. From this window, you can choose the background transparency and also the output DPI, and then you will have two options for download the output file. One is vector SVG and another one is in vector PDF. Both will generate a zip file containing all the details needed for printing purpose and with the customer details, like what the customer has put in the message section. Here you can see the customer wanted to know about the price code for 1,000 pieces for this shirt containing the same design. Also, we can see the customer's contact point details, item details, product details, and design details. This all will be included in the zip file along with the print ready file. This is it. This is how you can download your custom quote request. That's all for today. See you in the next video.